Module 8, Power BI Embedded Analytics Licensing. Hello, I'm Peter Myers, the course developer.
And I'm Alon Baram, a Senior Product Manager.
In this video, we will describe Power BI Embedding Analytics Licensing, we'll compare products, and provide you with licensing guidance.
Licensing to embed Power BI content depends on the scenario. And those scenarios are for your organization and for your customer.
When working with the for your organization scenario, all end users have a Power BI Pro license or they have a Power BI Premium per user license. The workspace must be assigned to a capacity which is a P SKU.
And when working with for your customer scenario, the workspace is assigned to a capacity, either P or A SKU. For developers, it's important to understand that trial embed tokens are generated using Power BI Pro or Power BI Premium per user license, provided strictly for evaluation or development purposes. Trial embed tokens are not permitted to be used for production workloads. It is possible to use the Power BI REST API to determine usage percentage.
Great, well now let us describe to you the P SKU in more detail. Power BI Premium is a capacity-based license, and there's the one product known as the P SKU. It includes the flexibility to publish reports broadly across an enterprise without requiring recipients to be licensed individually per user. It also delivers greater scale and performance from a capacity in the Power BI service, and the ability to maintain BI assets on premises with the Power BI report server. What matters most to us in this course, though, is that we've got this one API surface and a consistent set of capabilities and access to the latest features for embedded analytics.
So Azure Power BI Embedded, also known as A SKUs, are targeted at ISVs or developers who are building apps and want to embed visuals into those apps. It's just the one product, A SKU, but there are limitations. Capacity content cannot be consumed in a Power BI service. Capacity content cannot be consumed by a Power BI free licensed user. Capacity content cannot be shared through one-click publish to web or one-click publish to SharePoint. No license for Power BI report server. The resource is managed through Azure Portal or PowerShell. You can scale up or down, you can add capacity admins, you can pause, resume the service. It's very flexible. There is also integration with Azure Analytics. Analyze diagnostics events to understand root causes.
There are 6 different node types, each with their respective resources and throughput. So A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6. Do note that P1, P2, P3 are equivalent in resources and throughput to A4, A5, and A6. So we see from a virtual cores perspective is that it ranges anywhere from 1 virtual core through to 32, and they're split evenly between front-end and back-end cores. Importantly, memory, when you have large data sets that you're hosting, can range anywhere from 2.5 gigabytes all the way through to 100 gigabytes. For direct query and live connection throughput, it can range from 3.75 per second all the way through to 120 per second, supporting much higher concurrency. And for refresh parallelism, anywhere from 1 through to 24, and this is important when you've got import data that needs to be refreshed. The more parallelism, the more refreshing or the longer refresh durations can be supported. Okay, Alon, well now let's compare the A and P SKUs.
So let's start with A SKU. Remember, this is the Power BI embedded product. You can purchase them in the Azure portal, and it's for embedding content in apps. The billing is hourly, there's no commitment, this is very important, and it provides a unique offering, full elasticity, scale up, scale down, pause, resume, and automate everything with our MPI using PowerShell.
And to compare it to the P SKU, this is the Power BI Premium product, which is purchased in the Office 365 portal. Its use cases extend well beyond embedding content in apps, with the ability to share content with free users and widely, to embed in other SaaS applications, and also to share content with Power BI free users through the Power BI service. It's different from the A SKU because its billing is monthly and its commitment is monthly and yearly. Its unique offerings include the ability to combine embedding in apps that use Power BI service in the same capacity, and the Power BI report server license is included.
Let's now conclude and providing you with licensing guidance. Typically, enterprises buy Power BI Premium, and ISVs buy Azure Power BI Embedded. However, there are no restrictions on which product the customer buys. For example, enterprises may decide to use A SKUs if they are only interested in building line of business apps and embedding analytics into them, and are not interested in using the prepackaged Power BI service. And we have many enterprises, for example. ISVs, typically GISVs, large ISVs, may want to use a PSKU to get the additional benefits of the prepackaged Power BI service within the organization, as well as embed in their apps.
Some final guidance. We think A1 is a good choice for many reasons. It's competitively priced at US $1 per hour, which could come to $720 US per month. It's ideal for evaluation, development, and test. It's ideal to establish benchmarks when capacity sizing. It may be suitable for apps with small or ad hoc workloads. It can be programmatically scaled up or down according to known usage patterns, and it can be paused if the app has offline periods, in which case billing ceases.